Hello my friends, ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel. It's been a long time that I haven't uploaded any video because I find a hard time to transfer to our new location because our property where I was positioning last time will be submerged by the dam that is now under construction. Okay, so in this video, I'll be showing you on how to trim this bougainvillea bonsai. Actually, this bougainvillea just formed like this, and it formed like it was corrugated, but this only naturally corrugated because I planted the sticks, the small stems of bougainvillea I made it as our fence. So the bougainvillea, because the bougainvillea stems, because they grew so what's this, without any distance, and so this is the result. The trunk became corrugated, including the stem also. Okay, so because I have seen this as a potential bonsai, I will trim now. To make it more beautiful, and of course to sustain the stem so that it will look bonsai. And the variety of this bonsai is called International White, and others call this Singaporean White. So now I will start, and just watch. Now I am one of the bonsai lovers. Okay, so like this, I can plant this because this is very easy. This variety is very easy to propagate through cuttings only. Oh, the wind is a little bit strong here. It's amihan here in the Philippines. And I would like to kumusta my kababayan, my fellow Filipinos from other countries. How are you over there? Kumusta ka mo dyan? Kumusta kayo dyan? Lalo na sa mga Ilonggo. Kumusta ka mo da? Okay lang ba kayo? Okay. So this is one of my bougainvillea to be made into bonsai. Okay, so still, to thicken the branches and the stems, so that when it bears flowers, the flowers will also be thick. Okay, I will cut all the stems or trim. Okay, and this portion I think no need. Okay, so later, when if I'll be able to buy a bonsai pot, I will transfer this and expose the roots. You know, the beauty of bonsai also is in the roots also. Okay, so that's all for now, my dear subscribers. Thank you so much for being there, even though I have not uploaded for so long, and I hope you will still continue subscribing me. And for those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and please like and subscribe for those who have not subscribed yet. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. God bless and bye bye.